Okay, this is Newton's law of universal gravitation. Here's the equation for it. We have mass 1 times mass 2 all over distance squared times g. So that's the distance between the centers. It's really pretty simple. G is 6.67 times 10 to the negative 11. Always. It's a constant, so it's always that, no matter what. So all we have to do is we have to find out what the two masses are. So we have mass 1 and mass 2. We have mass 1 and mass 2 all over distance squared down here. And my daughter's helping me too.
No.
All over distance squared. So we just take that first mass, times it by the second mass, divide it by the distance squared, and times that by 6.67 times 10 to the negative 11, and you should have the gravitational force. It'll be measured in newtons. So let's have an example of that. Let's say we have two 10,000 kilogram masses. So 10,000. You know, if they're both the same, you can just square that. So it's 10,000 squared all over distance. So let's say they're 2 meters apart. And then we square that and times that by 6.67 times 10 to the negative 11. And you end up with something along the line. Should be something around 1.6 times 10 to the negative 3. This one right here. So really it's pretty simple. If we go back to this equation, just remember, put the mass 1, then put mass 2, divide that by the distance squared. Always remember this squared here, else you'll get it wrong. And then make sure you times it by g, which is always the same. It's this number right here. 6.67 times 10 to the negative 11. That's all there is to universal gravitation.